Casserole is like a Mexican lasagna. Instead of pasta noodles, we use corn tortillas. This Aztec Casserole with chicken and nopalitos really pumps up el sabor. I'm gonna start by making one of the fillings of this Aztec Casserole. First thing I'm gonna add is some sliced onion. So as it starts softening, I'm gonna add 2 garlic cloves. So the next thing I'm gonna add is some poblano chiles. You have to roast or char them. Once you char them, you put them in a bag or a container covered with plastic, just like I have here, so that you can peel the chile, clean it, remove its seeds, and then you can cut it into whatever shape you want. I have 5 poblano chiles that went through that flavor coaxing treatment, and I cut them into rajas. Rajas is just a word that we use in Mexico in Spanish to refer to strips. You can see the onions are wilting and softening, so adding the rajas right in here. And the next thing I'm gonna add is a bottle of tender cactus or nopalitos. So I'm adding these right in here. I'm gonna start building my cazuela azteca. I always like adding my base sauce to the bottom. And I'm using the Homestyle Mexican salsa, so flavorful. So I'm adding a little bit in the bottom. Spreading it a little. I'm gonna add some corn tortillas that I already heated in a comal. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper because poblano chiles, just like so many chiles, love the company of black pepper. So this is ready. I'm gonna add 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. I have 4 cups here, so I'm gonna add half. And then I'm gonna add the rajas con nopalitos, con cebolla. It's like one gigantic extended taco. And then, of course, I'm gonna add more sauce. So like half of the jar here. So I'm adding a cup of shredded Oaxaca cheese, half a cup of Mexican cream. And then we're gonna do another corn tortilla layer. Now we're gonna do a layer of corn. Then I'm adding a can of whole black beans that I already drained. And then of course we're adding a little bit more sauce. You wanna get that sauce everywhere in every bite. And then another layer of tortillas. And then the rest of your chicken. Adding the rest of the poblano mixture. The rest of the sauce. The remaining half a cup of crema. 2 more cups of cheese. And to crown this thing, I'm gonna add 1 cup of crumbled queso cotija. I'm gonna cover my Aztec casserole and it's gonna go in the oven for like 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna remove it, remove the foil, and put it back in there for another 15 minutes until the cheese gets really melty and browned on top. It is bubbling. Okay, let's pull these out. Whoa. A little bit of cilantro. It's truly Mexico in a casserole, and it is one crazy way to pump up el sabor in your home.